Welcome back to Hiking Today, your go-to channel for all things hiking. We're thrilled to take you on another riveting adventure today. Our destination? The picturesque city of Sacramento, California, a hidden gem for hikers and nature lovers. We'll be exploring its beautiful trails, diverse ecosystems, and stunning landscapes. So strap on your hiking boots, fill up your water bottles, and grab your backpacks. Let's get started on this exciting journey. Did you know that Sacramento, California boasts over 200 miles of gorgeous hiking trails? Yes, it's true. This city is a hiker's paradise. From tranquil riverside walks that meander alongside the American River, to dense forests that make you feel like you're deep in the wilderness, to rugged mountainous terrains that challenge even the most experienced hikers. With such a vast network of trails, the diversity is simply astounding. Sacramento truly offers something for every type of hiker. First on our list is the American River Parkway, a 32-mile trail that's a paradise for wildlife enthusiasts. This trail is a vibrant tapestry of life, where deer casually amble, river otters frolic in the water, and over 200 species of birds paint the sky. Imagine walking amidst this living gallery, the air filled with the chorus of bird songs and the rustle of leaves as animals scamper. So, if you fancy a hike surrounded by nature's finest, the American River Parkway is a must-visit. Next up, we have the Cosumnes River Preserve, a unique hiking spot that's home to California's largest remaining wetland area. Unlike your typical hiking trails, the preserve offers a captivating divergence with its marshes and swamps. It's like stepping into another world where a myriad of fascinating wildlife flourishes. Here, the sounds of the city are replaced with the buzz of insects, the calls of birds, and the rustle of reeds in the wind. For those seeking a truly unique hiking experience, the Cosumnes River Preserve awaits. Third on our list is the Hidden Falls Trails, an aptly named spot that houses a stunning waterfall. This trail is a treasure trove for nature lovers, with the waterfall serving as a mesmerizing centerpiece. The cascading waters, tumbling down the rocky terrain, create a spectacle that's truly a feast for the eyes. And the views? Simply breathtaking. You're surrounded by lush greenery, with the horizon stretching out in an endless panorama. If you're a fan of waterfalls, you'll find the Hidden Falls Trails to be an unforgettable hiking destination. Last but not least, we have the Lake Clementine Trail, a serene riverside hiking spot. Imagine strolling along a peaceful path surrounded by lush greenery with the soothing sounds of the river as your soundtrack. As you venture deeper into the trail, the river views become more spectacular, leading you to the tranquil Lake Clementine. There, you're greeted by the lake's stunning beauty, a sight that truly rewards your hike. For a peaceful hike that ends with a stunning lake view, look no further than the Lake Clementine Trail. That's it for our top hiking spots in Sacramento, folks. From wildlife havens to riverside retreats, each trail offers its own unique experience. Get out there and explore. Don't forget to subscribe to Hiking Today for more top-notch hiking content. Until next time, happy trails.